Garrin, what's the best color from the new Make a Splash collection?
Aren't they all the best?
Truly the best. But then I started thinking, why can't we make a color that blends everyone's favorites?
What, like a rainbow?
Like a rainbow. Like a rainbow.
What? The hard part's done, Jake.
The hard part is done.
But what color should we mix?
All of them. We got this.
We got this. Man, I sure love all these colors, Jake.
Morgan and Taylor are gonna go bananas over our rainbow lacquer. Garrin, if we're gonna do this, we're gonna do it so big.
How big?
So big.
Garrin, I think we got some pretty sweet colors. You wanna know something, Jake? We definitely got the cream of the crop.
But I got just the thing that's gonna put it over the top. 90s pop single. Unicorn float. Chocolate bunny. Avocado toast. Potato chips. Motivational messages. Super legit doctor's note. I wouldn't lie to you. It's marvelous. Lemonade in the shade. I love it. Flip-flops and tube tops. Feeling swimsicle. One piece or two piece. Never seen such a beautiful color. Flamingo float. Garrin, look at all the pretty colors. You've got tangerine lines. It's absolutely beautiful.
Looks brown to me.
You're right. Where'd we go wrong, Garrin?
The RG bib must have thrown off our calculation. I think if we tried again but reversed the order.
It's still brown.